Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're gonna do some lure dropping this morning, guys. Water is looking extremely good, guys. Walking up to the spot. While walking up to the spot, guys, to explain to you what gears I'm using today. Today I'm using my BG Series 3000 along with my Shakespeare Ugly Stick GX2, guys. Running 15-pound nylon on here with Origami 2-inch twitch bait. I have all different kinds of bait that I use, guys. Different colors, different depends on how the water is, guys. Check it out. Got some horses up there, guys. They're all getting ready for the ride. So depend what color bait I use, guys, depends on the water color. If the water is clear, I use more of a natural color. If the water is actually, let's say, shady dark, I'll use a highlighted color like this. Or sometimes a highlighted color works in the clear water just as well, depending on the type of species that are biting. So today aim, guys, jack, barra, tarpon, snook. These are my definite targeted species this morning. So before we go any further down onto the pier there, because that's where we aiming, guys, I'm gonna look in the water along here, and we might be able to pick up something right here. Let's see what's up. Water. Drop my cup so I don't get it knocked over. I don't want to lose my coffee. Make sure our rod is straight. And see if we can drop it in the shallows here. See if we can pick up a barra. Who knows? We might get lucky, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Drop too close to that mooring. I don't like that mooring drop. See if we can pick something up here, guys. Can't see through that water very well from this angle. Twitch bait's not giving me hitched up on the hook. I hate when that happens. It happens when you're lure fishing a lot. It just sucks sometimes. But let's get that out there, guys. Now I'm getting that swim that I want. Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, guys, so just a test. See what's in the water here. Let's get around to the other side, guys. Barra territory. So let's see, I'm out here on this pier, guys. See how the watercolor looks, and see if we can get some cast off each side, and then we head in. Right here, guys. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaican shore fishing. Morning, guys. Morning.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
All right, cool. All right. Let's get the C2 good, guys. Barra hunting time. Jamaican shore fishing. Barra hunting time, guys. Come on. Mr. Barra, where you at? We're hunting for you this morning. Yeah, they like to hang out in the shallows, guys. Love hanging out in the shallows. That's their style. I thought I had a follow a while ago, guys. Let's get him back out there again. You're there, I know you're there. What's up? Morning, guy.
Good.
See if you're over here. Alright, let's get on this side, guys. Let's hunt. Ooh, little barrow just hit it a while ago, guys. Small fella though. He hit it a while ago, but he missed. He got no aim, barrow. I just seen him a while ago through the water a while ago, guys. Little fella too. Alright. He's right here in front of me, guys. Small barrow, guys. They don't like slow action moving things, guys. They like it fast. Ooh, he made after it, guys. You seen that? Let's go from the other side and run this dock parallel, guys. I'm gonna see if I can pick this barrel up. Just let me see what's up. Let's see what's up, guys. And play with this barrel for a little bit. See if he's gonna actually pick up. Oh shit. I'm making shore fishing. Water's looking really good this morning, guys. Toya is going out. Toya! Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. My friend Toya is out there, guys. She's getting ready to go pick up her fish pots. Yeah, this is definitely a decent spot to launch my kayak, guys. I will be doing a series on this soon. I just haven't had time to really get down here and set up. I'm figuring more or less I'll launch from that side over there where the boats launch from and head this way and head out to the reefs. But I will be definitely doing a series on this down here. This is one of my favorite fishing spots, guys. Love this spot. Always had very good luck here catching fish. Has two river mouths, one right there, one right there, so it's kind of pretty productive at times. Alright, let's find out. I was hoping I'd hold the jack this morning. That would be nice. Really nice to hold a nice jackfish this morning, guys. Yeah, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Run it deep. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on. Ooh. Yeah, guys. Fish on, guys. Ooh, snook, guys. Haha. Haha. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. This is what's up, guys. Yeah, man. Snook on the Twitch lure this morning, guys. Look at that. Wow. Woohoo-wee. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We are out here. Yeah, man. That's what's up. Yeah. Damn near knocked my coffee cup over, guys. Oh, my string is here. Good. We have him. We have another one swimming around here someplace feeding, guys. So we're going to drop this luring and get this guy off the lure here real quick and strung up. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. That's what's up, guys. So guys, like I was telling you about the coloration of lures, guys, depends on the coloration of lures. I have me dinner. Look at that. Ooh, there's more swimming out there, guys. Let me get back in this water. Let me get this guy out of here. Let me get this guy out. He's hooked pretty good in the gill in there, guy. Holy smokes, Mr. Snooky. I gotta get my lip grip tool off. I don't like sticking my hands in fish mouth, guys. I don't know about anybody else, but I ain't trying that. I don't like doing it. I have tools for that stuff, so that's what I use it for. Alright. How good are you hooked? He's hooked in a gill, guys. He's done. He's out. Even if I wanted to save this guy, I couldn't do anything to help him. Oh man. Hooked pretty good in there, guys. Holy smokes. That's gonna be a problem. I'm gonna have to get it from behind here. I know, guy. I know it hurts real bad. What do you want me to do? Nothing we can do about that. I have to get this hook out of you. Holy shit. Just to get this hook out is a problem. Holy shit, man. You're gonna make a mess. Now it's hooked in the goddamn lip grip tool. Ugh. Ha. Shit. Come on, guys. Holy smokes. Alright. Let's get you strung up real quick. Not make a mess here. Alright. Alright, guy. You're gonna make a mess of my clothes now. Alright. Let's get you rinsed off. You got blood all over me, guy. Let's get my cord untied here. And let's get to my coffee cup down here and get my tools up. Alright. Let's get you in my mind. That's right, Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Let's drop your on this aside. Make your blonde stay right this until we're ready. Here's Jamaican shore fishing, guys. That was one snook. He blowed up my gold lure, blowed up my clothes, and he's going home for dinner. That's definitely dinner, guys. Snook dinner, guys. I was aiming for barra and got a snook. Making shore fishing, guys. Ooh, you seen that, guys? Feeding frenzy up there. Okay, guys. Definitely a feeding frenzy going on here, guys. There's snooks, all kinds of fish feeding here right now. And I know there's a big barra in here someplace. I wonder if I put on a more. Alright, we'll give it one cast. We'll give it a shot. Don't guarantee, guys. I'm gonna put a shiny lure on here. This one's all good. Snook killer. Snook killer, guys. Look at the size of this. Look. See the finger size? Snook killer. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Snook killer. So. Alright, guys. I'm going to switch up the lures a bit. And try one of my new lure from Japan. These are my new lures, guys. They give off this little shiny, real shiny glitter on here. Let me try this one first of all. Give it a shot. They got weight on it, so it'll give me a good distance. Don't know. I haven't caught anything on these yet. Hopefully I can get something this morning, guys. Water looks pretty good. The sun is shining, so I'll definitely get hooks and fingers. No good. So alright, now we can get out there to that feeding frenzy, guys. Definitely get out there, but I don't know if they're gonna pick up. Let's go. Let's get it out there. Oh, we got good distance on that, guys. Might get a big barra or tarpon or something. Who knows at that far? Holy smokes, if I get a hit on that, I'm in trouble. Well, guys, murder she wrote. I'm heading in. That's it. I'm done. That was my morning medicine, guys. Pick up yourself. Thank you for joining us. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Come on. The fish is here, guys. I just don't have the time to be here all day. My friend Toya went out. Looks like she ain't picked up much coming back in. Let me grab my fish. And we are out of here, guys. Come here, biggie guy. Where you at? Come here, big fella. Yeah, we got to get you home, guy. Sorry about that. Let's go. Home time. Get you in the cooler and some ice. And get you to the house. Get you to the house. Come on. So. Yep, this could make dinner for me and Laurie. Yep. Me and Laurie definitely good on that part. Water's clearing up too. Water's getting real good. Probably try to push out later. See what's up. And guys. Yeah. So. Yeah, man. I want to send a shout out to Brett Thompson, Trinidad. Big up yourself. Big up to Cavi, Australia. Yeah, man. Some of the real serious lure fishermen out there, people. Check out their channels. They're serious guys on the lure fishing. I kind of did my research all over, man, and these guys are awesome, guys. Awesome and talented guys. So check their videos out. And we are out here. That's right. Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up.